Namaste, welcome to Path for Healthy Living. So today I am here to present few modifications on the deep squat and forward fold practice which I presented on last Wednesday. Because many have reached out to me saying they would like to practice this but this is a bit difficult for them. So here we go with modifications. Modification 1, if you are able to sit comfortably in deep squat, you can just come in this deep squat, sit here. Sit here for 30 seconds, 40 seconds, 50 seconds, up to 1 minute depending on your comfort level. And after completing 1 minute or whatever the time you select, just come out from your deep squat, stretch your legs, keep your eyes closed, do set number 2 and set number 3. Do 3 sets only as for now. Slowly you can increase to 5. Okay, so the next variation would be the modification 2 is, I'll show in both the views, front view and side view. So you will come like this. Inhale, look up and divide your legs wide with the help of your elbows. Inhale, exhale. So as you observe, as I'm exhaling, I am keeping my I am pressing my elbows with my thighs, taking them in, tucking my tummy in and chin towards chest, and hands are extended in the front. Okay, so this is how you do. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. So this I'll show from side view also for a better understanding. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Like this, do 5 to 10 rounds. Again, relax, stretch your legs, keep your eyes closed, breathe and then come back to the pose. Do set number 2 and set number 3. Okay, this is modification 2. And the modification 3 is, see, if you remember, I am talking about the last week's video, right? So if any of you want to know the benefits and contraindications to this pose, I'll be giving the link to that video in the description box below. Do check it out and then come back to this video. So in that practice, we were placing our palms under our feet. So if you have reached out to me saying this is a bit difficult, so what you can do here is just place your palms in front of your feet. Just observe this distance. This can be varied depending on your comfort level. Inhale here and then exhale. Inhale, exhale. So do like this 5 to 10 rounds. I'll be showing in side view also. So sit in a deep squat and then place your palms in the front. Exhaling, get into forward fold. Inhale, back. Exhale, inhale. So do 5 to 10 rounds of this. Relax with your legs stretched in the front. Again, do set number 2 and set number 3. That's all. And one more modification I would like to give. Few were saying it's okay for them to sit in deep squat, but only thing is their heels are not completely going down. So I would suggest just place some yoga block and sit on the yoga block. Okay, so modification 5 is for those who are unable to sit in deep squat at all. So they will just stand up, like they will start with standing only. So stand with your legs hip width apart, tuck your tummy in throughout the practice, stretch your arms out in the front, and you will be making fist with your hands. Just bend your knees, go down. This going down is just depending on your on your comfort level. So just go down till here, or here, or here, and then come up. Only thing you need to remember here is you are not going down like this. So this protrusion of knees more than your toes is very dangerous and it affects your knees in a very bad way. So make sure your knee and ankle are in one line as you are going down. Just come up and down, up and down, up and down, up down, up, down. So this also do it for 5 to 10 rounds and relax in standing position. Repeat set number 2, repeat set number 3. That's all. I'll see you in the next video where I'll be giving a very effective practice to reduce the tummy fat, and the beauty of that practice is it is having very less contraindications. That means many of us can do that. So do check it out. Until then, bye bye.